Today we're in Brisbane. It's been super hot here lately, so we're heading out to grab some smoothies. There's this all-vegan cafe and supermarket. It's just north of the city, and they have everything. They've got all kinds of different vegan cheeses, plenty of vegan meats, bulk TVP, beauty products, all sorts of lollies and chocolates, and even vegan pet food. The smoothies were really good. Yum! And now we're off to do some fun van life chores.
Here we are out the back of a very van life friendly laundromat.
This place is called Liquid Laundromat 24/7, I think.
Liquid Laundry.
Is that it? Liquid Laundry.
It's in Newstead in the middle of the city pretty much. There's a car park out the back, free parking. It's aircon inside.
Let's do it. Oh, the aircon's so nice. Look at that. These stairs sound like a dolphin.
Get back to work.
Hey, $7.30 for
To dry.
35 minutes of drying. Finished. Back to the heat. Lovely hot day today. Perfect. Van life. Alright.
Just gonna leave our clean clothes in the bag for now because it's too bloody hot to put them away.
We'll get to them in a day or three.
Literally 35 degrees in here. Oh, so bloody hot.
It's hot in the city. It's hot in the city tonight.
We need to find somewhere in the shade because it's too beeping hot to be alive right now.
Yeah, it's like 30 degrees.
It's 35.
What? Jeez.
Hot enough to melt your balls off.
That's where they went. It's just a puddle.
It's just a puddle.
Just a puddle.
It's what we call swamp ass. Okay, we found a spot to park in the shade finally. Now making lunch. Yum.
Chickpeas, bok choy.
Yeah, normally we'd have tofu or something like that with it, but currently out of tofu supply.
There we go. Is that a good amount?
That's great.
Veggies and stuff for you.
Yeah, heaps. Let's chow down.
Mmm. Yum.
Doing dishes in a van. The trick is to lick it clean, isn't it?
Yeah, if you can.
Lick it clean first, wipe it second. Most people at home use dishwashing liquid, so for them this probably seems gross that we just like rinse it out with water or just wipe it with a thing.
Yeah, I guess so.
But we've never gotten sick, have we?
No,
No.
never. I think it would be different if you ate meat.
Oh
you
yeah,
kinda need,
for sure.
You need, or like chicken or eggs or something like that. You need hot water to clean that sort of stuff. So if you're vegan, or you know, if you're watching this and you're not vegan, perhaps you should consider veganism, because it's so much easier, from what I've heard, to be vegan in a van than it is to eat meat in a van. We'll go to Anytime Fitness now, which is about a 10-minute drive away from here, which is great. There's Anytime Fitnesses everywhere. If you're doing van life in Australia, then Anytime Fitness is the one to be with, that's for sure.
So we need to get up there somehow. After we find a park. Not bad. I feel like a new woman.
Just filling up water. Probably taste it first. See if it's any good. Hey?
Probably. Chug, chug, chug.
Tastes like Brisbane water. Water.
You're a water connoisseur, are ya?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know the taste of good water when I see it. Are we getting pizza?
Yep.
Maybe we could go to South Bank and eat it. To the hill.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. If you're not from Brisbane or you're not familiar with the Kangaroo Cliffs, they do rock climbing or abseiling right here, basically. I think you can look it up on like Adrenaline or something. There's a free boat that you can go up and down the river on. It's like real slow. I don't know what it's called. We'll leave the link in the description so you guys can look it up. Super easy. It's really nice when you go under the bridge, and right up by Eagle Street Pier, which is on the left as you're heading out toward the Seaway. That's all we've got time for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, remember to leave us a comment below, leave a like on the video, and subscribe if you're new here. We'll see you next time. Take care.